Michio Kaku. What we found inside the UFO drone shot down by a man is terrifying. In an event that shook both the scientific community and the public, a UFO drone shot down over a rural field has revealed astonishing and terrifying insights into extraterrestrial life, advanced technology, and the future of humanity. This historic encounter began with a government decision permitting individuals to fly drones at night, inadvertently setting the stage for a life-altering discovery. A local man, equipped with a high-powered drone interceptor, took action when he noticed a strange object hovering silently in the night sky. This object moved with unnatural precision, defying known laws of aerodynamics. When the UFO drone was brought down, it marked a turning point in the decades-long debate over the existence of extraterrestrial life. An alien marvel, the drone's construction. The first aspect that captured attention was the UFO's exterior. Its metallic shell, composed of a mysterious alloy, shimmered and shifted in the sunlight as if alive. Spectroscopic analysis confirmed that the material contained isotopes not found on Earth, sending shockwaves through the scientific community. This discovery alone was extraordinary, but it was only the beginning. Dr. Michio Kaku, one of the world's foremost theoretical physicists, was brought in to study the artifact. His initial reaction was awe-stricken wonder. Kaku described the craft as a marvel of engineering, so advanced that it might as well be magic to our current level of understanding. Terrifying discoveries. Inside the interior of the drone revealed an intricate maze of components, far beyond human comprehension. Traditional wiring was absent, replaced by a network of quantum filaments capable of instantaneous information transfer. The systems appeared sentient, processing data in real time and adapting to environmental conditions with precision. However, the most shocking discovery was the data core, a crystalline structure emitting an unknown energy capable of interacting with the quantum field. This energy not only powered the craft but also seemed to bend the fabric of reality. The core contained holographic projections, star maps, and language-like symbols that were more than mere communication tools. They were a form of programming, each symbol encoding equations capable of altering physical reality. A chilling revelation. Among the projections was a detailed timeline of galactic evolution, including the rise and fall of civilizations and Earth's history, past, present, and future. It depicted catastrophic events yet to come, culminating in a mysterious event labeled the Singularity. This event, suggesting a merger of biological and artificial intelligence, posed humanity's greatest challenge: transcendence or extinction. Kaku and his team were left to question whether this timeline was a warning, a prophecy, or an observation from a vastly superior intelligence. Samara Salazar and failsafe. The investigation took a darker turn when researchers uncovered a hidden layer of data. It revealed the craft's ability to repair itself using Earth materials and a failsafe mechanism that could trigger a devastating self-destruct sequence. The implications were alarming. Was the drone a scout, a messenger, or something more sinister? Despite attempts to communicate with the craft, its purpose remained unclear. Kaku speculated that humanity might be undergoing a test of our technological capabilities, intentions, or readiness for first contact. Global implications and unanswered questions. The discovery sparked worldwide debate. Governments scrambled to respond, with some advocating transparency and others opting for secrecy. Meanwhile, conspiracy theories and public fear spread like wildfire. Why did this craft appear now? Was it drawn by humanity's rapid technological advancement or triggered by a specific action, such as nuclear detonations? The craft's intricate design, seamless integration of components, and cooperative functionality hinted at a level of sophistication humanity has yet to achieve. A hopeful yet sobering legacy. The UFO drone left a profound impact on science, technology, and society. It inspired breakthroughs in quantum physics, bioengineering, and artificial intelligence. Yet, it also served as a stark reminder of our limitations and the vast gap between us and the creators of this craft. Michio Kaku described the paradox of the UFO drone as both hope and dread. Hope for the potential of humanity's future and dread for the possibility of its downfall. Whether the craft's revelations lead us to transcendence or destruction depends on how we navigate this unprecedented moment in history. The discovery of a UFO drone shot down by an ordinary man in rural America has sparked worldwide intrigue and fear. Renowned physicist Michio Kaku, known for his work in theoretical physics, has been at the forefront of unraveling the mystery surrounding the object. His analysis of the findings has not only expanded the boundaries of human understanding, but has also raised concerns about the future of humanity. The beginning of an extraordinary event. It all began on a quiet evening when Jacob Reynolds, a farmer, was scanning the skies for an impending storm. Instead, he spotted something far more unusual, a metallic object hovering silently above his field. At first, he assumed it was a government drone, but closer inspection revealed an object unlike anything he had ever seen. Its smooth, seamless shell seemed to absorb light rather than reflect it, and it emitted a faint glow. Driven by a mix of curiosity and caution, Jacob retrieved his hunting rifle, aimed, and fired. The object fell from the sky, crashing into a nearby field. What Jacob discovered next would set off a chain reaction that led to a global investigation involving government agencies, scientists, and the media, with Dr. Michio Kaku taking a leading role in the analysis. The terrifying discovery. Inside the UFO drone. Upon examining the downed object, it became clear that the craft was unlike anything humanity had encountered before. The material it was made of was lightweight, yet stronger than anything on Earth, and its atomic structure was entirely alien. The object appeared to have been engineered at a level far beyond modern human understanding of material science. However, it was what they found inside the object that left Dr. Kaku and his team stunned. After carefully breaching its outer shell, they discovered an artificial intelligence system unlike anything known to humankind. This AI seemed almost organic, with synthetic neurons resembling a living, thinking entity. It was a form of intelligence that could make decisions, process information, and perhaps even feel emotions, an unsettling realization that challenged everything humanity knew about artificial intelligence. Dr. Kaku speculated that the object was not a conventional spacecraft, but rather a probe sent by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. If this was true, the implications were staggering. What were the creators of this probe like? What did they want with Earth? And more importantly, what could they do to humanity? Decoding the alien data. As the investigation continued, the probe's data revealed startling information. Embedded within its neural network were maps of star systems, some of which were familiar and others that were entirely unknown. Even more unsettling were the symbols and images that defied explanation. One recurring image was of a planet strikingly similar to Earth, but with slight geographical differences. Could this be the homeworld of the probe's creators, or perhaps another target in their exploration? The most chilling discovery came when a log of the probe's activities was uncovered. It had been observing humanity for decades, if not centuries. The data showed detailed records of Earth's technological advancements, conflicts, and wars, all recorded with a tone of curiosity and caution. It was as if the creators of the probe were deciding whether humanity was a threat or an opportunity. As mysterious drones continue to operate in the night sky over the U.S. East Coast, a disturbing new theory has gone viral. U.S. officials have assured the public that the drones, which were first reported over New Jersey on November 18th and have since been spotted in at least 6 states including New York, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, and Virginia, do not pose a security threat, while claiming they don't know what they are. But as the baffling sightings continue, the lack of answers from the federal government is causing growing outrage from state and local officials, including police, governors, and elected representatives. And the information vacuum is allowing increasingly frenzied conspiracy theories to flourish, including the claim that the drones are on the hunt for a missing nuclear weapon. John Ferguson, chief executive of Kansas-based drone manufacturer Saxon Aerospace, shared his thoughts in a TikTok video that has since gone viral on X, racking up more than 15 million views. My guess is that these drones are not nefarious in intent, Mr. Ferguson said. Dr. Kaku's analysis raised profound questions about humanity's place in the cosmos. The discovery of the UFO drone, with its advanced technology and possible extraterrestrial origin, was both an opportunity and a stark reminder of humanity's fragility. The creators of this craft were not merely advanced, they were godlike in their abilities. If they chose, they could wipe us from existence with the push of a button. It was a sobering realization that left many to reflect on humanity's vulnerability in the grand scheme of the universe. Yet, Kaku remained hopeful. He suggested that the presence of such a probe might be a call for humanity to rise above its current limitations, to expand its horizons, and to strive for something greater. As he once said, "The universe is a vast and mysterious place filled with wonders we can only begin to imagine." This discovery is not the end of the story, but the beginning of humanity's journey to unlock the mysteries of the cosmos. If they are our drones, the only reason why they would be flying at night, and flying that low, is because they're trying to smell something on the ground. That's it. There's no other reason for a drone to be flying in the air other than to piss a bunch of people off at night. Mr. Ferguson made the sensational claim that a Soviet-era nuclear warhead had recently gone missing from Ukraine and may have made its way to the U.S. With Russia, there were countless nuclear missiles that were disarmed and disposed of. There were over 80 nuclear warheads that were in Ukraine that came up missing. We don't know where they are. Maybe somebody does, but nobody really knows where these are. I speak with some pretty high-level government officials on this stuff, and it seems as though that is the case. Mr. Ferguson claimed he spoke to a gentleman a few months ago who was trying to raise an alarm to the highest levels of our government about this one particular nuclear warhead that he physically put his hands on. He physically touched this warhead that was left over from Ukraine. And he knew that thing was headed towards the United States, he said. This gentleman, who was trying to raise the alarm to try to get somebody in the government to find this nuclear warhead, none of that ever happened. They knew that warhead was on its way to the United States. That's all that ever came of it. This government did not do anything at all to help this gentleman raise the alarm that there is a very deadly weapon on its way to the United States. It's out there. Nobody knows where it's at now. It left Europe. Now it's gone. Call for humanity. The downing of the UFO drone by Jacob Reynolds serves as a turning point, a moment in time that forces humanity to confront the reality that we are not alone in the universe. It challenges our assumptions, forces us to expand our understanding, and compels us to confront the unknown. The world now waits, holding its breath, as scientists and governments work to decode the mystery of this alien technology. Will we rise to the challenge, unlocking the secrets of the universe and forging a new path for humanity? Or will fear and uncertainty divide and destroy us? The choice is ours, and the stakes have never been higher. The future of contact. As the investigation into the probe deepens, one thing remains clear. The discovery of this UFO drone is a wake-up call. Humanity must decide how to respond to the unknown. The probe's creators may be observing us, deciding whether humanity is a threat or an ally. And if the probe is part of a larger network of galactic communication, it's possible that more probes, or even the creators themselves, could be on their way. Dr. Kaku's final thoughts on the matter were both cautious and hopeful. He urged humanity to approach the discovery with respect and responsibility, preparing for the possibility of contact with an advanced civilization. In the end, this moment of discovery is not just about what was found inside the UFO drone. It's about what humanity will choose to do with this knowledge. The universe is vast, and our journey has only just begun.